This is the new PCS60 from ColdJet. It's unlike any dry ice blaster you have seen before. That's because we've reinvented dry ice technology, starting with putting you in complete control. Our revolutionary particle control system allows you to cut dry ice into diamond-shaped particles. Yeah, diamond-shaped. From 3mm to 0.3mm and every size in between. So you can now fine-tune the most effective setting for each of your unique applications. The PCS60 is the highest performing and most efficient dry ice blaster ever. With the reimagined design, you can expect a pulse-free and consistent blast stream while using less air and less dry ice, empowering you to be more productive all of the time. ColdJet, the force of nature.